busy doing another project, which is very, very exciting. So that will be uploaded soon. For now, you have me and my easy peasy project for today. Yes, you can hear it right. It's raining right now, but that doesn't stop me from doing my project. So just to give you a quick background, I'm currently into repotting my plants to white pots. Why white? I just feel that white looks clean and fresh, just like plants, so they really look good together. Just like this plant. Take a look at this. It looks good on white pot, right? In my first video on YouTube, I had a quick tour of the plants around the house. I don't know if you noticed, but we had so many improvised pots like plastic bottles, paint buckets, and paint cans. And I want to change all of those into white pots. But upon checking in the stores, I found out that mga pasok planters, nagmahal na rin sila just like plants. They have tripled in price, especially the ones with white paint. So I've set aside that plan of buying white pots. But by looking around the house, I noticed my mama has so many plastic pots. They look good, but it's just that they're plastic and they're in color red. So what I'm gonna do today is I'm just gonna paint them white and I'm gonna arrange them in front of the house on the side of the garage. So that's enough talking, let's begin painting. As you can see, I've already painted 3 pots and more to go. By the way, this paint that I'm using is a lacquer primer, which is just a leftover from our previous project. So this mini project of mine is zero cost. Before painting, you have to wipe the pot. It just rained, so I have to remove the dust, soil, sand, and other particles that might be rough on the surface. And guys, also, this is a suggestion from GC. He told me to lay the pot on a table first for me to easily paint it. It will be better if you place it on a table or anything that's like a table. It's also easier for you to rotate it just like this. Done. What can you say about my painting skill?
It's so amateur.
Grabe siya.
Nagbigyan ko po kasi gusto niya daw po itry. Yung gitero. Joke. So there you go. Now you have your white planters that really pop.